Natural light is one of the most sought-after features in a home, yet many Washington homeowners worry that larger windows can compromise privacy. Finding the right balance between bright interiors and personal comfort is especially important in neighborhoods where homes are closer together or streets see regular foot traffic. Bay windows offer an ideal solution. Their unique design allows homeowners to enjoy abundant natural light while maintaining a sense of privacy and control. A window design that extends beyond the wall. Bay windows project outward from the exterior wall, typically featuring a central window flanked by angled side panels. This design changes how light enters the home. In Washington homes, bay windows bring sunlight in from multiple angles rather than directly from the front, allowing rooms to feel bright without exposing the interior to direct outside views. Allowing light without direct sightlines. One of the biggest privacy advantages of bay windows is their angled side panels. These panels redirect light inward while limiting straight-on visibility from the street or neighboring homes. For Washington homeowners, this means living rooms, dining areas, and bedrooms feel open and illuminated without feeling exposed. Creating depth that enhances privacy. Because bay windows extend outward, they add physical depth between the interior of the home and the outdoors. This separation naturally increases privacy. In Washington neighborhoods where homes may be closer together, this added distance helps reduce direct visibility into living spaces. Supporting flexible window treatments. Bay windows work exceptionally well with a variety of window treatments. Homeowners can choose light filtering shades, sheer curtains, or layered coverings to fine-tune privacy levels. In Washington homes, this flexibility allows residents to enjoy daylight during the day while maintaining privacy in the evening. Brightening interiors throughout the day. The multi-panel design of bay windows allows light to enter at different times of day. Morning, afternoon, and evening light can all reach interior spaces depending on orientation. For Washington homeowners, this consistent natural light reduces the need for artificial lighting while maintaining visual comfort. Creating cozy yet open living spaces. Bay windows often become focal points in living rooms or bedrooms. The extended space allows for seating, decor, or plants without blocking light. In Washington homes, this creates cozy areas that feel private and inviting while still benefiting from ample daylight. Enhancing privacy in street-facing rooms. Rooms that face the street can be challenging to design for both light and privacy. Bay windows solve this by changing the angle of view. Washington homeowners often choose bay windows for front-facing rooms because they reduce direct lines of sight while keeping spaces bright and welcoming. Pairing light with strategic placement. Bay windows can be placed in areas where light is desired but privacy is essential, such as family rooms or reading spaces. In Washington residences, thoughtful placement ensures homeowners enjoy sunlight without sacrificing comfort. Professional installation maximizes the balance. To achieve the right balance of light and privacy, bay windows must be installed precisely. Proper angles and alignment are key. Professional installation ensures bay windows in Washington homes perform as intended, delivering both brightness and discretion. A smart design choice for Washington homes. Bay windows offer a thoughtful solution for homeowners who want natural light without compromising privacy. By redirecting light, increasing depth, and supporting flexible treatments, they create bright yet comfortable living spaces. For Washington homes, bay windows strike the perfect balance, bringing in sunlight while preserving the privacy that makes a house feel like home.